Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing great. Today I'll be sharing with you this beautiful glowy dewy winter glam makeup look which is perfect for Christmas as well as this New Year's Eve. Also, I do have 3 lip options for you so that you guys can pick whichever you like. So if you are interested, let's go. The main focus of this look is beautiful glowy dewy soft hydrated and moisturized skin, and this is the reason why I'm gonna prep my skin really well before moving on to the makeup. My skin was feeling extremely dry and dehydrated, and this is why I've used 2 different moisturizers. If you want, you can use just one. Next, I'm using a moisturizing primer. It also works as a stroke cream. It makes your skin look very glowy, dewy, hydrated and juicy. And if you use this, you don't have to use a stroke cream separately. Now this is an optional step, you can skip it if you want. I have used a dewy setting mist before starting off with my makeup. It just makes my makeup more long wearing. Now that is done, I will start off with a color corrector and a concealer, and I have a little bit of dark circles and red bumps all over my skin. To hide that, I'm gonna use a peach corrector. I have fair skin, so I'm using the peach one. If you are from brown dusky skin family, go with the orange one. To blend the color corrector out, I'll be using a concealer brush to get the most coverage out of it. Then I'm gonna apply a concealer which is very close to my skin tone, and I'm gonna blend everything out with the help of a beauty sponge. And look how nice and seamless my base is looking. I'm not gonna use any foundation today. To set the cream products in place, I'll be using this loose powder. Also you guys, I have tried new makeup brushes this month and I'm so in love with them. All of the product details will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And then to set the parameters of my face, I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. Can you guys see I have hit major pan on this? This is my all-time favorite. It's so affordable but so good. Then using some more setting spray so that my face doesn't look too powdery. And once done, let's move on to the blush. Now guys, this is my favorite blush of all time. I love this and I love applying blush, okay? In general, I love beautiful flushed cheeks. So just a disclaimer, a lot of you might think I have applied a lot of blushes today, but to me it's perfect and I love applying blushes. So yeah. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit of loose powder on top to set the cream blush in place. Next, I'll be using this beautiful blush topper from this Milani palette, and this palette is my all-time favorite. If you layer your blushes, it's gonna stay on you for a really long time, and this 2 particular combo, it looks so beautiful on the skin. I love it. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of bronzer. I'm not gonna use too much because I'm extremely tanned right now. I don't know you guys can figure it out or not, but I'm extremely tanned. And a little bit of bronzer just makes everything look even and seamless. Moving on to the brows, first I'll be using a micro brow pencil to fill in the gaps that I have in between my brows, and once that is done, I'll set them in place with the help of a brow gel. Now I'm using the same bronzer on my crease so that my eyes get a little bit of depth and dimension. You guys know I don't use falsies, so I'll be using 2 different mascaras today, and don't forget to curl your lashes before applying mascara to get that full fan effect. How can we forget highlighter, right? And today I'll be using this beautiful highlighter from the same Milani palette. Also guys, I love this cutesy highlighter brush. It just made my application so easy. I loved it. To finish off my base makeup look, I'm using this LA Girl shimmer spray and it just makes your makeup look so beautiful. Oh my god, you have to try this one out. Moving on to the lips, and today I'll be giving you 3 lip options as I mentioned. So the first one is this one. Now guys, glossy juicy Korean lips are so much on trend right now, so the first thing I'm gonna use is a lip tint. I'm gonna give it some time to settle in completely and then I'll be using this beautiful gloss on top. It's a beautiful transparent lip oil that has this iridescent sheen to it. It looks so glowy, juicy and dewy on the lips. It's just perfect for this winter season. Option number 2 is this newly launched liquid lipstick from Love Child by Masaba. I have just received it in PR and oh my god, I love the color, I love the feel of it, love the texture and formulation, how comfortable it sits on your lips. Highly recommend this one. I always prefer wearing this kind of nude lipsticks in the winter season, so yeah, definitely let me know in the comment section below if you like this one. Option number 3 has to be a red because this is something I'm enjoying a lot lately and this is such a beautiful bright red. I feel Christmas or New Year's Eve makeup look is just incomplete without a bright red lipstick, and this is so different than my all-time favorite MAC Feel So Grand lipstick. So yep, that's the final look. I hope you guys like it or find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe and I will see you soon in my next one. Bye!